Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on your phone step by step. Step 1. Open your browser. On your phone, open any browser like Chrome, Safari, or Opera. Step 2. Go to chat.openai.com in the URL bar. Type chat.openai.com and press Enter. Step 3. Sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, tap Sign in if you are new. Tap Sign up and create an account using your email or Google. Step 4. Choose the free version. You can use ChatGPT for free. Just select the free plan and continue. Step 5. Start chatting after logging in. Tap the message box at the bottom and start typing your question. ChatGPT will respond immediately. Step 6. How to install the ChatGPT app, optional. If you prefer using the app, open Play Store or App Store. Search for ChatGPT and install the official OpenAI app. Step 7. Log in inside the app. Open the app and log in with the same account. Now you can chat faster and easier, Let's ask the ChatGPT some. Question example: what is the meaning of miracles? As you can see, ChatGPT have a sad-ass question, just check. Outro. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.